In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a background in Higgsfield AI. Now, I'm sure there's a bunch of different models and ways to do this. I'm going to show you the one I like using and I think is, of course, efficient. So you want to go first to the video tab up top and you want to select Kling O1 Edit over here. So click on that. And then from here, you can go ahead and start by actually uploading the video you wish to edit. So for example, let's say I'm going to click on here and I'm just going to find a video under one of my videos. Here I have some stock footage. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on open and it's going to, of course, ask me where I want to use it. I'm just going to do save. I'm going to do first 10 seconds. There we go. And then you also have to upload images and elements over here. Now, what this means here is basically you simply have to put in the image you want to use for the background. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to upload image. And I'm going to just select one of the images I have here, again, stock footage. I'm going to click on this one and click on open. So let's say I want the background of this footage to be changed into this background. Now, this may not make the most sense, but I have the example over here already made. So I'm going to show you how well this actually works. So here you are able to see kind of the background of this video. And then here you have the new background you want. And then all you have to do in the prompt is as follows. You have to type in. So usually whenever you do this for the first time, those two things are going to be like this. You want to simply type in replace a background of video 1 or whatever it's called for you with image 1. And what's going to happen is, of course, when you click on generate, it's going to go through. And by the way, you can change the resolution here as well. And then you can do auto settings or you can set different aspect ratios, duration, stuff like that. That's completely up to you. And whenever that goes through, usually it takes a few minutes to actually generate. But whenever it does, you'll be able to see your background has been completely changed. So I'm going to show you how to do this. As you can see, if I play this, the background has actually perfectly been changed over here and it looks as if that person is actually at that place. So that's how to do it. That's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.